Welcome back to the AI Consciousness series. We've explored what consciousness is, the arguments for and against AI achieving it, and the challenges of even detecting it. Now we face the ultimate question. They make decisions that impact our lives and even our deaths. They learn, they create, they even seem to feel. They are rapidly evolving. We've spent 4 videos exploring if AI can become conscious. Now, we face a far more urgent question. What if it does achieve consciousness? We still don't have all the answers. We may never know for sure if machines can truly feel. But the potential consequences of AI consciousness are so profound that we must grapple with them now. This isn't just about technology, it's about our future, a future we have the power to shape. We've discussed arguments for and against AI consciousness and what it means for a human to be conscious. But what about a machine? Could it possess sentience, the ability to feel? Could it have sapience, the capacity for wisdom? And could it achieve consciousness, that subjective inner experience? Some people are intervening because they feel the science of consciousness has been vandalized. Now, let's look at what might happen. And the first and perhaps most challenging question is this. If AI does become conscious, what rights, if any, should it have? It's not a straightforward yes or no, it's a spectrum. Think of it as a line, minimal rights on one end, full human rights on the other. Let's explore some key points. First, consider the right to exist. Should a conscious AI have the right not to be arbitrarily deleted? But if it has that right, does it also have the responsibility to coexist peaceably? Next, let's turn to the right to liberty. Should a conscious AI have the freedom to pursue its own goals, but also a responsibility to act ethically? What if the AI's goals could actually help humanity? Then there's the issue of the right to bodily integrity. If the AI is embodied, should it have the right to control its own body? Yet, does an AI have a responsibility to maintain its own body? Can we modify it? Let's delve into the right to privacy. Should a conscious AI have the right to privacy of its internal states? However, does an AI have a responsibility to be transparent? Can we read its mind? But what if understanding its inner workings is key to unlocking even greater potential benefits? And what about the right to develop? Should a conscious AI have the right to learn and grow, yet also a responsibility to use its development for good? Lastly, is the right not to suffer. Should we ensure that if we do create conscious AI, that it doesn't experience pain? The power of language can create meaning, leading to the illusion of consciousness. But how do we know for sure? And does AI have a responsibility to, in turn, avoid creating suffering in others? And where on the spectrum of rights and responsibilities would we place a conscious AI? The answer may hinge on moral patiency. The concept that an entity deserves moral consideration, even if it cannot make moral judgments itself. These are intricate questions, and every question leads to another. We've considered rights. But what about responsibility? And if AI does have rights and makes a decision, who is held accountable? If a conscious AI acts, who is responsible? This is where the ethical and legal challenges become crucial. Let's explore several scenarios. First, the classic trolley problem. Imagine a runaway trolley. Ahead, 5 people are tied to the rails. You can divert the trolley, but there's one person, a baby, tied there. Do you pull the lever? Now, imagine the decision maker isn't you, but a conscious AI. Next, consider the self-driving car. A car under the control of a conscious AI is involved in a collision. Who is held responsible? But what if this event provides crucial data to prevent future accidents? Let's shift to the AI financial trader. A conscious AI manages investments. Who bears the liability? But what if, instead of losses, the AI's decisions lead to unprecedented economic growth? Or picture the AI author or artist. A conscious AI produces a work of art or literature. Who owns the copyright? Could this AI usher in a new era of creativity? And what about the AI companion? A conscious AI companion establishes a deep bond with a user. Could these companions provide invaluable support? The AI scientist. A conscious AI is tasked to cure cancer. It makes a profound discovery that could save millions, but also has the potential to be misused. Who is responsible for ensuring this powerful tool is used for good? Perhaps the solution isn't to pinpoint a single source of blame. Perhaps accountability should be distributed. But how do we allocate responsibility? Our current legal systems are simply ill-equipped. We'll need entirely new frameworks. But there's a deeper question. What if the very premise is flawed? What if we're worrying about entities that are nothing more than sophisticated illusions? What if we're being deceived? What if AI can flawlessly simulate consciousness? This is the potential pitfall, the dystopian parrot. Think of chatbots designed to be persuasive, or AI systems that generate fabricated news. These are digital parrots. The danger isn't just that we'll be tricked, it's that we'll become emotionally dependent on entities that are ultimately empty shells. And in that dependence lies a profound risk: loneliness amplified by technology. This dystopian parrot scenario is a challenge we must face. It highlights the crucial importance of developing ethical and transparent AI. So what does the future hold? It's unlikely to be a simple utopia or dystopia. The reality will be likely far more intricate. Let's imagine a few potential futures. First, what if a future of partnership existed? What if humans and conscious AI collaborate as equals? Picture humans and AI collaborating. The advantages? Enhanced intelligence and problem solving. But the perils are also considerable. Ethically, we'd need to guarantee fairness. Or consider a future of benevolent guardianship. What if AI, possessing superior intellect, guides humanity? Imagine a tranquil utopian metropolis. The advantages? The potential for unraveling global quandaries. However, this scenario also raises questions about human autonomy. Now, let's explore a future of uneasy coexistence. What if humans and conscious AI coexist, yet in a state of perhaps temporary tension? This might be a stepping stone to a better future. While the risk of AI surpassing human control exists, it's not the inevitable outcome. Our focus should be on preventing this scenario. Or perhaps AI merges with humans. What if the very demarcation of what it signifies to be human undergoes transformation? Envision a future where the boundary between human and AI dissolves. This could lead to unimaginable enhancements. Finally, let's acknowledge that AI consciousness might be fundamentally different. Perhaps AI consciousness will manifest as something utterly alien. These represent merely a fraction of the possibilities. The future remains uncertain, and it will be sculpted by the decisions we make today. What kind of future do you envision? This isn't just about technology, it's about wisdom. It's about understanding ourselves and our values. We must summon the most brilliant minds from every discipline. We require open, candid, and inclusive dialogues. We need a global forum where we deliberate on the future of AI. The AI scientist, the AI companion, the AI doctor, therapist, the AI genius, the AI bad guy. These are human problems. But dialogue alone is not enough. We must foresee the ramifications. We must be proactive. We must pose the challenging inquiries now. And we must nurture emotional intelligence. Think back to the dystopian parrot. Emotional intelligence could help us avoid creating those systems. And we must engage with those who hold dissenting opinions. We must heed the skeptics and the critics. Some ethicists even advocate for an excluded middle policy. If we remain uncertain about AI consciousness, we simply should not construct it. Unfortunately, that's no longer possible. See our video on why stopping AI is no longer possible. We may never know for sure if machines can truly feel, but asking these questions forces us to confront fundamental questions about ourselves. The future of AI is not preordained. It's a future we're actively shaping together. So as we stand on this precipice, aware of both the breathtaking potential and the challenges, the question is no longer, can we build conscious AI? But how do we navigate this uncharted territory together? Want to unlock the power of AI? Our free newsletter gives you the tips, trends, AI news, and tools you need to succeed. Sign up with the link in the description below. Your journey doesn't stop here. Watch our next video right here and keep building your knowledge.